Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that very popular Stihl MS 440 chainsaw, 70 cc's, a very popular saw. Compression reading on this one is 150 psi. This one features a 20-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose, 3/8 pitch, .050 gauge. We'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Master controls right here on the left. Off, run, high idle, and a high idle choke. Has an operator presence lever. It's a lever right here. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Foot pad right here and hand protector. Works as a hand protector in case of a chain throwing incident. Helps protect your hand. Functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression motor. You want it on the ground, foot in place, good grip on the handlebars, and fire that saw up. Got the 3/4 wrap handlebars, very popular. 2 falling spikes. Factory dual port muffler, very nice option there. Really makes the saw perform well. Working chain brake. Just a very nice saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.